Welcome everyone. Today we'll be making shrimp salad. And once you try this shrimp salad, you'll find yourself making it all the time. It's one of my go-to options for simple yet satisfying meal. I am taking 500 grams of peeled and deveined shrimps. And to it I am adding roasted ground cumin, salt to taste, half teaspoon red chili flakes, and some olive oil. Mix everything well together. And then we'll cook them on medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes each side. Heat a pan, add some olive oil, and then we'll start putting our shrimps. Cook each side for 1 to 2 minutes and then flip. When done, remove from heat and then finish cooking the remaining shrimps. Our shrimps are done. Now let's start chopping our salad. I'm using butter lettuce here. You can also use iceberg lettuce or any greens of your choice. After washing and drying the lettuce, we'll stack the leaves over and slit lengthwise to chop into bite-sized pieces. Similarly, we'll chop cucumbers, slit some tomatoes, and in the end, we'll add one avocado for that creamy taste. Throw everything in together. To cut a ripe avocado, cut it lengthwise around the seed and hit the knife on the seed and gently rotate the fruit with one hand while keeping the knife steady. Then slice the pieces and remove directly into the bowl. To make the dressing, we'll finely chop the fresh dill, for dressing, take 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil and add chopped dill to it. Now add in some freshly ground black pepper, ground cumin, salt to taste, juice of half lemon, and our dressing is ready. Whisk it nicely. Everything is ready. We just have to add in the shrimps and drizzle dressing on the top. Toss the salad very gently because we don't want to break the shrimps. This salad is very light and refreshing with mild taste, and if you're watching your weight, I would highly recommend trying this protein and healthy fat-rich bowl of goodness. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.